Hello, I'm Peter, live from Electronica 2018. Show you here our smallest digital camera modules. We are featuring two sizes currently, one with 1 by 1 millimeter and the smaller one with 0.7 by 0.7 millimeter. The small one is featuring 200 by 200 pixels. In the bigger version we have 320 by 320 pixels. Both cameras go up to 50 frames per second to give you a real live view image in the medical field. Basic applications are the endoscopic market. The camera comes assembled with the optic and a 2 to 3 meter cable which fits perfectly to medical endoscopes, most times flexible 3 to 5 millimeter diameter endoscopes. The Nana M with 1 by 1 millimeter size features a 3-element lens, which means there are 3 aspheric elements in the optical stack to reduce the distortion, enhance the resolution in the corner. The camera modules are assembled with the optics, with the front glass, and come on a 2 meter cable which fits perfectly for medical endoscopes and reduces the time to market for the end customer. Target applications are flexible endoscopes, single use, one-time use endoscopes with diameters 3 to 5 millimeters.